I'm going harder, harder, harder than before. If you think
Hey guys, I'm Quoia.
I'm Shamari.
And welcome back to our channel. Today we're in the kitchen. As you guys can see, we are going to attempt to make s'mores. We're going to do them two ways. We're going to do them in the microwave and the oven to see which way tastes better. Alright, so yeah, let's get right into the video. First, have you ever even had s'mores?
Yes, I have. Never did. But it was like outside, not inside.
Y'all, we got our ingredients. You're going to need graham crackers, chocolate,
And of course, marshmallows.
yeah. Alright, so let's get crack-a-lacking. Okay, so we don't know what we're doing because this is our first time making it.
We're back.
So yeah, we're back. We changed camera angle so y'all can see us work. Now we do not know what we're doing, so we're gonna Google some instructions. So it says place 1 graham cracker on the plate, top with chocolate and a marshmallow. Put it on 10 seconds or until marshmallow is puffed. Cover with remaining graham square. All right, so here's the graham crackers.
That's all.
I mean, we're just seeing which one is gonna taste better.
This would be like a snack if we don't use all of them. For me. Literally.
Yeah, he stayed trying to eat all the dang food. Oh,
No,
I just
no.
broke it. Uh-oh. I
That's
just
a
broke
good
it.
thing. You have to break it so you can put it right here and put it on top.
No, we don't have to break it. Do you do chocolate first? Yeah, you did chocolate first.
So,
Get 2. It open. Oh, these mini. Okay, so let's do it like that. Y'all, this better not be nasty. I swear.
it's not. If you don't know what you're doing.
Get 2 more marshmallows.
This is not enough marshmallows.
Well, how many s'mores you gonna eat, Green? Dang.
I'm talking about just like for both of us.
Oh, snap. Yes, it is enough. I mean, you can really use 1. You don't need 2. Because it's gonna, when you smush it together, put that back.
Yeah, you need.
Because the marshmallow's gonna melt when you smush it together. Okay, so I hope y'all can see these are our s'mores. They're going in the microwave. Okay, so it said 10 seconds. Okay, so 10 seconds. I think we're gonna need longer than 10 seconds.
So you just put 30.
That's 10 right there. Oh, snap. Okay, it fell off. Okay, never mind. This is what it looks like immediately coming out of the microwave.
That's the oven. Microwave.
Okay. Oh, it's all, oh, cool. Okay.
She's so sped.
Scoot over. I never had s'mores before. Okay, that's yours. See? Oh, we made s'mores. Hey. Wait. I want to try. We gotta try it together. This bag on there, cause it's buggy.
And yet it's ruined.
No, it's not ruined.
Oh,
That's
that's so satisfying. Just to smush
we
it
did
down.
that. Okay. I really hope y'all can see. All right, y'all. So we got to try it. This better not be nasty.
1,
1, 2, 3.
It's good, right?
Okay, it's better once the chocolate hits. The chocolate wasn't hitting at first, so I was like, I just taste marshmallow and crackers. Okay.
Very sticky.
Yeah, I don't like that.
I don't like that.
This is a whole mess. gone?
I told you the smells are good. I had them before.
It's alright. I think I need to burn my marshmallow a little more. It was just soft. I know a lot of people say they like them a little burnt, so I'm gonna taste it like burnt.
Like crunchy a little bit.
Yeah.
Test one. That was a kind of a fail for you.
You know, it wasn't no fail, but okay, so
Now you doesn't have the oven.
yeah, so now we're gonna Google the recipe for how to make them in the oven. Okay.
This is like very good.
It's okay. I don't know. I think I was expecting more of a wow factor. Okay, so oh dang, we should have been Googled this. It say preheat the oven to 400. Lay half of the graham cracker on a cookie sheet topped with chocolate pieces to cover. Use kitchen scissors to snip the marshmallows. Who doing all that? No.
They made it look cute.
Who finna be cutting marshmallow? That's extra. No. Put the whole thing on there. Bake until the marshmallows are puffed and golden brown, about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from the oven and top with the remaining graham cracker, pressing down slightly to make a sandwich. Serve immediately while warm. Maybe that's another. It wasn't warm too. It was like
A little bit cold.
yeah. I don't know. It wasn't good. I need some milk.
He needs some milk.
I need something to drink. Oh, y'all should check out these Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. They're really good. No, this video is not sponsored, but we eat them. Not really sure of the
They're very good.
yeah, they're really good. It's a dietary supplement. And they're apple cider gummies, but they don't taste like, you don't taste the apple cider at all. They're really good. But I will leave a link if y'all want to try these. They're actually really good. All right, so now we're gonna try these in the oven. All right. So, I wonder if the kids will eat these.
No, they definitely will. Dang would just open his mouth and just make that face. Now, I'm just happy you just need one.
Yeah, because you gotta smush it down. I wanna I need it to stay on there. Mine came off last time. Like, how do you get it to stick?
This is super good.
All right, the gummy, right? You're supposed to chew it. I don't have. Okay, so I'm gonna set the timer for. It said 3 to 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do 4. All right, 4 minutes. Hey, we make the s'mores.
She killed my vibe.
Almond milk. We don't drink whole milk in this household. So I'm starting my own channel. It's gonna be more girly type videos. So when I start it, y'all gonna know. Okay.
And I'm gonna start mine too soon.
You're such a hater. You a hater.
How? If I'm gonna start my own gaming channel.
Oh, not done. That's gonna need more than 4 minutes, honey. Okay, I'll just let it go off. Marshmallows ain't even burnt. Nah, it's probably because when you preheat the oven. Oh well. Alright, ding ding ding.
You done?
Nah, they ain't burnt. I want it to be burnt. So we're gonna do 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, because I want it to be kind of burnt.
You supposed to take it a day?
Huh?
You supposed to take it every single day?
I don't know. Let me see. I'm guessing so. Oh, you can eat up to 6 of these a day? Oh, if you like fruit snacks, like us, we love fruit snacks.
This is a day for you.
And these are healthy at that. It says gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic, and unfiltered.
Gluten-free.
World's first apple cider vinegar gummies by Goli Nutrition. You could take up to 6 a day. Wow, I couldn't have these all day. I be tearing these things up like it's candy.
She would have had these. Dang, why they be coming out like two?
Y'all, this is good. I need to check these out. Alright, y'all. That was the second timer. They still not burnt. They're not burnt. I'm gonna do another 2 minutes. And also, if y'all like this series on our channel, what else would y'all want to see us cook? Even though Shamari don't know how to cook. I'll be going down in the kitchen.
I be cooking sometimes. I be doing my thing.
Cooking what? You burnt pancakes.
I didn't actually burn them. One, I just cooked them wrong because I didn't know what I was doing.
Exactly. So you can't cook. Barrett. Oh my God, the marshmallow's getting fat and thick. But they not burnt though. Oh, there go the timer again, y'all. They still ain't burnt. The marshmallows just keep getting fatter and fatter.
Come on, you might as well take them out.
I want it to get burnt.
This girl wilding out.
I want it to be burnt, cause let him stay in there a little longer. Ooh, what if he overcooked the cracker?
Then we mad.
Okay. Let's take it out. All right, y'all. Here we go. All right. Smush. I'm gonna leave it this way. Oh, see it? That's so cool. When you switch it down.
I was gonna put them on there.
Oh, I forgot.
This girl wilding out for real.
Okay, put it on yours. Why you put it that way?
Cause watch
Now you gotta wait for it to melt. This is hot. We need a spatula. Okay, so. Ooh, I think the graham cracker is burnt. Yeah, I think I burnt the graham cracker. Trying to burn the marshmallow.
More important.
I burned the graham cracker. Oh, that's right.
Quoia, you doing too much. You should just put it on that side.
Boy, hush. It'll be alright. It's all going in one place.
What is that?
In your stomach, duh.
Okay.
Oh.
Tea.
This one is messy. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's burnt. I don't like that.
Oh, we did the microwave?
Yeah. Why does chocolate look like that?
Like what?
It's like. Oh yeah, I burnt the chocolate. What? No. Yep, we don't know what we're doing. They tasted better in the microwave. Cause it like, ew, why is it like that?
But this was a fail.
Yeah, that oven was definitely a fail. The microwave tastes better. But I wouldn't eat this again.
How about this? Well, you want to eat it again?
No.
Dang.
I don't really see the hype behind s'mores.
They're good. To me.
Yeah, no. I will not be eating these again. I mean, but you can make them if you want.
No.
I mean, all you gotta do is pop them in the microwave. You know how to do that.
It's like a snack.
It's good. Shamari eats anything, y'all. He don't care what it is. He'll eat
No, I know it's fine.
You lying.
It's nah.
He's such a liar, bro. That drink is good.
You know it's not. Not the oven. What?
Shamari, you ate more than half of that thing, and that was nasty.
But now it's nasty because I got used to it. Too much chocolate.
No, that's because you put the extra piece of chocolate on there.
I need some drink. That's too much chocolate, bro. Now let's investigate.
You finna eat it.
No, I'm not.
Man, let's investigate. Yeah, see, like, why the chocolate look like that? Why it look like that? And this, it's like, ew, that looks so disgusting.
Oh God.
Oh,
Look.
it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Ooh. Y'all, I about burnt my finger touching the chocolate. I was trying to get it off my finger on the plate. Ooh, that's gonna burn.
He said, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot. She took off the seat. You surely said, hot, and then right off to the seat.
Yeah, I wanted to get it because I tried to wipe it off on the plate, but it was like adhered to my finger.
First of all, why would you even touch it?
Because I wanted to see what it felt like. I mean, but no. No.
And you say, I'm done with that.
I mean, no, not what it felt like, but it looks like it's, I don't know, it just looked weird. So I wanted to see what it was about to feel like. I wanted to see if I burned it. Basically. I wanted to see if I burned it. But clearly I didn't. It was still melty.
And hot. Well, that one,
Right, yeah, we're making a mess.
You're making a mess. I stopped.
So the microwave was okay. And then oven was definitely a fail. That was disgusting. I would not eat this again. I know he probably gonna be making more right after this video is over.
Mm-hmm.
He gonna stick them Johns in the microwave.
That's gonna be my snack for the night.
Yeah. But alrighty, you guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you want to see us cook something else,
Comment down below.
yeah, comment below what you want to see.
Turn on post notifications.
Yes, definitely do that. And also don't forget to follow us on social media. My Instagram is Dope Relations, and my business Instagram is CraftsbySequoia. I sell phone charger protectors and paintings. I'll leave the link in the description where you can shop below. And follow your girl on Twitter at SBradley201. And if y'all want some new music to listen to, check out Legatron 1000. He is dope. I'll leave the link in the description also for that. And one more thing, he probably sick of me talking. If y'all live in the Atlanta, Kennesaw, Marietta area, our mom does lashes. If you don't know where to go and you live in one of these areas, check her out at her shop. I will leave the link where you can book your appointments below, and the address in the description box. Okay.
Hit me up on Instagram at Shamari400 and hit me up on Snapchat at SLson_19.
Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Peace and love. Bye.